Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to target multiple widgets through select or unselect action. You can see there are two groups of tags on the screen. We need to control the selection and unselection of tags under each group using checkboxes. First, we'll set the selected style effect for all the tags. Then, we add a selected interaction. Choose select/unselect. With this, you can only select one widget. If we want to select multiple widgets, double-click the action, which will open a pop-up window. Click the Add Targets button, and you can select multiple widgets at once. After that, we add an unselected interaction. Choose select/unselect again. Double-click the action, click the Add Targets button, select multiple widgets. Then change all the select actions to unselect. Preview the prototype. Check the checkbox to select all the tags under the group, uncheck the checkbox to unselect all the tags under the group. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, give me a like, and share with others. Thank you.